I'm okay with that. What we got here again? It's another old Japanese Bradley banjo. And it is a early 1970s, could be a late 60s. Again, I don't know how to pin these things down, but it is a hat tip lawsuit model for the RB 250 of the day with kind of a 75 inlay and a 3 inlay up top. And it's got a fiddle-shaped headstock like the RB 250s of the day. Mahogany and whatever rosewood looking stuff this is with the pearl inlay in the middle. But it's got one-piece flange. And this one sounds scary good. It shouldn't sound this good. It does have a sliding 5th-string capo for y'all who like them. And I'm not going to take it off unless someone who buys it says, please take that off, put spikes. Be happy to accommodate. But it has its original tuners. They look like Schallers, but they're not. But everything on it is rock solid. We went completely through it. New head, new bridge, complete setup, head change. Before I break it. Well, did we refret this? It doesn't look like it.
Nope.
But it's in good shape. Sign the adoption papers to this thing quickly because Pinky, stop that. If I can get my hand to cooperate. Head on over to banjomart.com. Now, if the title in the video description says sold, you can go over there if you want, but it won't be there. And but either way, I think this is an extremely good value for the amount of volume, good tone, and playability that you're getting. So head on over there, take a look at the high definition photos and the description, and take this one home. If you like these videos and see what we might have for sale or what we're just working on, hit the, first of all, hit the like button and then hit the little bell notification to subscribe, and you'll be the first people who get notified when we upload one of these videos. And please leave us a comment if you like. We like hearing from you guys, and we'll see you next time.